Welcome to the exciting journey of securing your mortgage in Ontario. Today, I'll walk you through the key steps involved in the process. Let's break this down into 6 stages. In this example, we're assuming you're purchasing a home, but the process is fairly similar when you're refinancing or just switching lenders. Stage 1 is all about collecting the necessary personal details from you. We need to understand your financial situation and determine what you qualify for in order to figure out the best mortgage strategy and the best mortgage product for your unique needs. This includes general details like your contact info, birth date, as well as details about your assets, loans or other payments, as well as alimony or child support. We also need to understand your employment information, such as your employer, job title, salary, as well as any other sources of income that you have. If you're self-employed, we'll require some taxable information from the last couple of years to understand your business better. In stage 2, we'll take a look at the information you provided and package it up to send to a lender for a rate hold, a pre-approval, or a final approval. We'll ensure that this information is presented in the best possible way so we can demonstrate your overall strength of the deal or the mortgage to the lender. Usually, we get a response back within 24 to 72 hours. In stage 3, we verify. Your approval is subject to verifying all the information that we provided. So we might need income documentation, job letters, pay slips, or bank statements to document your down payment. On top of that, some lenders might require tax returns or your notice of assessment to show that you don't have taxes owing. We'll guide you through this process to ensure that we have all the conditions met for approval. It's also important to have enough funds available to cover your down payment and closing costs, about 1.5% of the purchase price. Now, once you've found your dream home, your realtor will help you prepare the contract, including any conditions of financing if you can get them. It's very valuable to have that when possible. And during this stage, the lender might request an independent appraisal to make sure that they agree with the property's value. I'll help you arrange that when the time comes. In stage 5, this is the approval stage. To make sure that we satisfy all conditions, the lender will verify all the information and documentation. At this point, we still have time and flexibility to make changes if we need to on the rate or term or payment frequency. We'll review all of this with you in your commitment letter before you sign. Finally, we reach stage 6, funding. This is where they'll legally register the transaction. You'll need a lawyer for this step. The bank will forward all the information directly to your lawyer. Your lawyer will then contact you to arrange a meeting. During this meeting, they'll confirm the transaction details, request a bank draft or a certified check to cover any outstanding amounts, including the down payment, their fee, property land transfer tax, and any other remaining amounts. Once your lawyer receives the funds from the lender or the bank, they'll send them out or disperse them accordingly and register the title in your name. And then you get the keys to your new home. And that's it. Those are the key stages in the mortgage process here in Ontario. We'll be with you every step of the way to guide you and help to ensure a smooth journey to home ownership. If you have questions or want to understand more about this, contact us today.